WNBA legend Sue Bird recently shared her insights on the Indiana Fever's recent success, noting their 2 consecutive wins since the season resumed. The WNBA's break for the Summer Olympics allowed the Fever to take a step back from the intense spotlight surrounding Caitlin Clark and the high expectations for the team. This pause provided an opportunity for the team to regroup and strengthen their chemistry, leading to back-to-back victories against strong opponents, the Phoenix Mercury and Seattle Storm, both with records above .500. Bird believes one key factor is setting the Fever apart: their pace of play. She credits Caitlin Clark and Kelsey Mitchell for setting a tempo that overwhelms their opponents. Both players are performing at a high level, with their on-court connection improving each game. From my WNBA experience, I've learned that pace of play can outmatch physicality, size, and even experience, Bird said. Watching Caitlin, Clark, and Kelsey Mitchell, they're relentless, constantly pushing the pace. Sue Bird's perspective carries weight in the women's basketball community, given her remarkable WNBA career from 2002 to 2022, which includes 4 WNBA championships and 13 All-Star selections. Following Bird's comments, the Indiana Fever acknowledged the league legend's praise, emphasizing, "It's about pace," on their official social media. Caitlin Clark is currently leading all rookies, averaging 17.8 points and 8.3 assists per game, while also topping the WNBA in assists per game. Her backcourt partner, Kelsey Mitchell, is averaging 17.7 points, 2.3 rebounds, and 1.9 assists per game, and despite a slight decrease in points and minutes, Mitchell is having one of her most efficient seasons, shooting a career-high 45% from the field. The Fever are in a strong position to make their first postseason appearance since 2016, largely due to their dynamic offense led by Clark and Mitchell. Indiana aims to extend their winning streak when they face the Minnesota Lynx on the road on August 24 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time.